A very warm welcome and Happy New Year. Today we'd like to show you all you need to know about Cake DeFi. We will put as much information as we can in this video, so you can decide if you want to stake your digital assets on Cake. Let's get started. As you probably know, we'd like to diversify our holdings to different platforms. At the moment our favorite platforms are Celsius, Nexo, and Crypto.com. But it's a good idea to put your assets in different places, in case one company fails you won't lose all your money. That's why we like to find new opportunities where we can stake our crypto. Let's sign up for the Cake network. You see the current interest rates right here. What's really interesting is the rate for their native token. With 37% it's quite high. Their token is called DeFiChain and is built on Bitcoin's blockchain. I thought that's an interesting choice since everybody seems to go with Ethereum these days. After you've signed up you need to do KYC. It takes less than a day for your account to be verified. If you like to stake on a platform that doesn't require any personal information, check out Waves Exchange. I will put the video link on the top. Let's watch the introduction video together. I couldn't have explained it any better than they did.
You are a cryptocurrency enthusiast. You have a few Bitcoin and some Ether. You may even have some of the other coins like Dash and Zcoin. Like you, we believe in cryptocurrencies being the future of money and finance. You know that speculating and holding are not the only ways to make gains from your crypto assets. You want more options that offer predictable returns and expect some degree of transparency. Your cryptocurrencies have the potential to be much more than just currency. Don't you wish there were ways to get your crypto assets to generate returns for you? With Cake, you can make them work and watch them work with full transparency. Cake is a platform that lets you do just that with your crypto assets. We offer exciting tools to multiply your Bitcoin and Ethereum and many other cryptocurrencies. Running masternodes can be profitable, but it is also highly technical. Staking at Cake lets you participate in masternode pools. With masternode pools, you can start staking with the smallest of amounts. Slices are like shares. You can own as big or as small of a slice you want. Rewards are paid out to your Cake wallet in real time, as soon as the masternodes are paid. You can choose to automatically compound your rewards to earn even more, or withdraw them at any time. Cake takes away the complexity of managing masternodes, so you can just sit back and watch the rewards roll in with full transparency that you can validate. Lending Services is our unique crypto asset multiplier. Lending Services is available for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Your assets will be locked into one of many batches. Batches take 4 weeks to mature and are fully trackable. Your entries can be automatically compounded into future batches. Putting your crypto assets to work is completely automated. Each batch has a cap, and they fill up fast from new and auto-compounded entries, selling like hotcakes, as our users like to say. We founded Cake on the tenet of transparency. We believe in being completely honest and transparent. The status of our masternode pools can be monitored in real time. Their blockchain addresses are public, and transactions can be verified by anyone who wishes to. Details about crypto assets entered into Lending Services are also published. You can examine how the assets in each batch are distributed across Cake's lending network. Cake offers an unprecedented level of transparency to users never before seen in the crypto space. Instead of asking you to trust us, we simply ask that you check, validate, and trust the math. Let Cake help you put your cryptocurrencies to work transparently. Come grab your slice now.
Alright, let's take a closer look at the 3 services they offer. The first one is Liquidity Mining. As a user, you get rewarded for providing liquidity via cryptocurrencies to decentralized exchanges. In our case, we can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Tether together with DeFi tokens. Since I currently don't have enough tokens, I will pass on the liquidity mining. Next up is participating in masternodes. As they said earlier, there is no technical side. It's very easy to stake your coins on Cake. Let's see what coins you are able to stake. With 37% at the moment, the DeFiChain token is the only interesting coin. The interest rate on other coins like Dash is too low in my opinion. The Lapis service is my favorite because I only want to stake Tether. You can stake Bitcoin and Ethereum with 7.5% and Tether with 8% interest. Notice that the payout is split between the crypto you are staking and DeFiChain tokens. You can view ongoing and past batches. It's good to see that they always hit the target APY. For me, that's a good sign. We also think it has great potential to get rewarded in DeFiChain tokens. This wasn't the case when I first looked at it because the yield was so high. But let me show you later in this video why I've changed my mind. If you want to learn more about DeFiChain, you can visit their website. I'll put the link in the description. Let me go over the most important things quickly. If you've been in the crypto space, you probably know most of the benefits already. But let's take a look at what you can do with this blockchain. Variety, throughput, and security. All good points, but nothing really new. What I find more interesting is the wrapping of tokens, and that they already have an oracle. And as I mentioned before, it's built on Bitcoin, which I think is an interesting choice. Let's take a look at their decentralized exchange. Users can swap coins directly with each other. If you provide liquidity to the decentralized exchange, you will be rewarded with interest. I showed you the rates earlier in this video. Let's have a look at the price action of DeFiChain. Here is where it gets interesting. It currently trades at around 90 cents. Remember when I told you that the staking reward is 37%? This number is very high, and I assume this token will be dumped on the exchange. But if we look at the price action, it has actually gained in value over the past months. If it can hold its price and you earn 37% staking rewards, that's an amazing opportunity. At the moment, it's just traded on minor exchanges. The only one I use out of this list is Hotbit. Let me make a deposit on Cake and stake some Tether now. Over at Cake, I open my wallet to find out my Tether address. Click deposit and copy the address so I can send some USDT. By the way, if you make a deposit, you currently get $20 worth of DeFi tokens. And if you use our referral link, it's $30. Feel free to use it if you like. You'll find it in the description. I made a deposit of $1,000, and as you can see, I got $20 worth of DeFi tokens for free. So let's stake both of them. First, start with Tether. You can leave it on auto compound, meaning you're entering another lapis once this one is done. But I want to see the interest rate after 1 month and then decide. Before it was 11%, now it's 8%. I hope they can get back to 11%. Now we have to wait for 1 month. I will keep you posted about the development. Let's move on and stake our DeFiChain tokens. I just saw that they have been staked for us already. Now we get 37%. That's great. In the future, I will buy some more DeFiChain tokens and stake them on Cake. The interest rate is amazing and the price held strong in the past. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Please consider subscribing to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.